In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can search places in QGIS Map. So the first thing that you'll want to do is to head over to plugins, manage and install plugins, and you just want to search for Quick Map Services. So it's going to be this one, NextGIS Quick Map Services. Just click on the install button, wait for it to finish, and then let's click on close. So let's now navigate through that specific plugin. You want to click on Web, Quick Map Services, and navigate through the option called OSM. Click on the first one, which is going to be the OpenStreetMap. We have the OSM standard, and then our map will simply appear on the layout itself. From there, let's navigate back to the plugins option, manage and install plugins, and this time we are going to install the OSM place search. Once again, just click on the install plugin, wait for it to finish, and then it will automatically be imported onto our list right here. So to make things easier, I'm just going to search for a simple place, something like China. Let's click on the search button, and from there, it will simply search that specific area. So that's how easy it is to basically search for a place in the OSM Placed Finder. Let's go ahead and do an easier one, which is going to be Los Angeles. Let's hit on the enter button, and then as you can see, we have something like Los Angeles, country California. If we double click on it, it will then prompt us to that specific region of interest. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.